There's a small detail hiding inside one of the most reliable tools ever made, and once you notice it, it's hard to ignore. That glowing yellowish-green liquid inside a spirit level isn't random. It's doing something precise that quietly improves accuracy every time you use it. So why is the liquid inside a spirit level that weird yellowish-green color? It's a tiny detail most people overlook, yet it plays a surprisingly important role in how effective the tool really is. So let's take a closer look at what's happening inside that vial and why this color became the standard right here on History of Simple Things. At its core, a spirit level is a simple device built around a sealed tube filled with liquid and a single air bubble. The tube is slightly curved, allowing the bubble to move freely as the tool tilts, showing whether a surface is level. The liquid isn't just water, it's usually alcohol, like ethanol or another low-viscosity fluid that lets the bubble move smoothly and quickly. Alcohol is preferred because it resists freezing and handles temperature changes better than water. The bubble is the main indicator, while the liquid provides a stable medium for accurate movement. The curvature of the tube ensures the bubble settles at the highest point, making readings consistent. If the liquid were completely clear, though, the bubble would be harder to see, especially under poor lighting or against busy backgrounds. The yellowish-green color is primarily about visibility. When using a spirit level, you need to instantly see the bubble's position relative to the markings. A clear liquid would make this difficult, especially with reflections or background interference. Adding a bright dye creates strong contrast, making the bubble stand out immediately. The human eye is especially sensitive to certain colors, and yellowish-green sits in a range where our vision performs best. This allows you to detect even slight movements of the bubble quickly and accurately. In practical terms, that means fewer mistakes and faster adjustments when aligning surfaces. The color isn't decorative, it directly improves how efficiently you can read the tool in real situations. Not all bright colors work equally well. Yellowish-green is used because it aligns closely with the peak sensitivity of human vision, particularly in the green spectrum. Our eyes respond more strongly to these wavelengths, making the color appear brighter and clearer than others under the same conditions. It also stands out against most surfaces like wood, metal, or concrete, which are typically neutral or darker in tone. Colors like red or blue can blend into certain environments or appear darker in low light, reducing visibility and slowing down readings. Yellowish-green avoids these issues by staying consistently noticeable and balanced, making it easier to track the bubble without confusion. Another advantage of yellowish-green is how well it performs across different lighting conditions. Work environments vary widely, from dim indoor spaces to bright outdoor settings. This color reflects light efficiently, helping it remain visible even when lighting isn't ideal. In low light, it still appears relatively bright compared to deeper colors, while in strong sunlight, it doesn't wash out as easily as lighter shades might. Some modern levels enhance this effect further by using fluorescent dyes, which can appear to glow under certain conditions. This consistency helps ensure the tool remains easy to read no matter where it's used, reducing the risk of errors caused by poor visibility. The dye inside a spirit level must remain stable over time. The liquid is sealed for years, sometimes decades, and needs to maintain its clarity and color without fading or reacting with the container. Yellowish-green dyes are chosen partly because they are chemically stable and resistant to UV degradation. This means they won't break down easily when exposed to sunlight or temperature changes. If the color faded or became cloudy, the tool would be harder to read and less reliable. Manufacturers select dyes that maintain their properties over long periods, ensuring consistent performance throughout the tool's lifespan. Over time, yellowish-green has become the standard across the industry. This isn't just because it works well, but because consistency matters in professional tools. Users expect familiar performance, and a consistent color helps maintain reliability across different brands and designs. Once a solution proves effective, it tends to become widely adopted, especially in fields where precision is critical. While some levels use different colors, they are less common because they don't offer the same balance of visibility and dependability. The widespread use of yellowish-green reinforces its effectiveness, making it the default choice for both manufacturers and users. That small detail, the yellowish-green liquid inside a spirit level, is the result of thoughtful design rather than coincidence. It reflects an understanding of human vision, real-world working conditions, and how materials hold up over time. The color improves clarity, enhances accuracy, and keeps the tool reliable in different environments, allowing you to read it quickly without hesitation or second-guessing. It's not about appearance, it's about function. And once you notice it, it becomes a clear example of how even the simplest tools are shaped by careful engineering decisions that quietly make everyday tasks more precise, efficient, and dependable. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.